All right, not too long ago, when we were working on a bike's wiring electrical system, I mentioned that it's a whole lot easier to just rewire a motorcycle than it is to install a stock wiring system. Well, this one came in to Kevin's shop so fried that it just wasn't worth saving. So he bought a new harness, and we were hanging the harness. Now I got here at 8 o'clock, right?
Yep,
And
8
it's,
o'clock.
and it's 11:45 or so right now. 8, 9, 10, 11. We've put in almost 4 hours installing this, and we're just now approximately.
Got a piece of metal. Ow!
Oh,
Yeah.
ah, just now getting to the point where we are maybe 1/3 or 1/4 of the way of installing this wiring harness because of the requirement to put the electronic solid state rectifier on it and drape the wires so that they don't interfere with the side covers and lay out all the wires, and it has an electronic ignition system, which means a lot of these wires have to be removed and cut away. We haven't decided on which ones yet. Believe me, it is easier to make up a harness than it is to make all these wires do what they're supposed to do. Oh well, just me kvetching for a little while. It's not fun. It'll probably take us another 3 or 4 hours to get this thing installed and tested. I even hate to say the fun just never stops. This is not fun.